Hi Lovelies, welcome back to my channel. This is Lovely of Lovely Budgets HK. Welcome to my happy place. So this is the continuation of supposed to be a long video together with the collab and group play, but I just decided to make it separately so that it's not gonna be that long. So before I start, let me greet you a very Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. So let's start for the roll into fall. So this box challenge is from Kathy of Cruise Budgets. And you have to use this card if you purchase it through her Etsy shop. If you're still interested to, if you're having fun doing the box challenge, you can go to her Etsy shop. It's not, I got it for free, but now it's on her Etsy shop. It's not sponsored, okay? Don't She don't sponsor this. I just got it for free. Okay, let's shuffle the card. I'd take out the IOU and we don't need it at the moment. So as you can see, I put the dice here because I'm so confused. So it's more easy for me to to write down the dice number here. So let me do like that. Okay. And for the dice, I have the different dice in here, the assorted one. So let's flip the first card. So D12. Let's go for D12. Okay. D12. Yeah, this is D12. And let's roll. $3. Oops. Next card. D4. So let's move to D4. D4 is this green one. The 2. $2. Another card. Add $1 to the next roll. So add $1 to the next roll. We go to D8. D8. $2 plus $1. So save here $3. Next card. D6. So you see it's more easy for me to determine which box is it. So D6, $1. Oh, thank you. And next card, D8, 5. Oh, it's nearly finished. Only three icon left. So give me $5. Next card. Whoa, D10. See it? Yeah. D10, come on. D10, be good to me. Is it D10? No, not this one. I think. Where's D10? Alright, D10. So 5. Okay, thank you. Smaller one. Let me see if we have change here. No, there's no change. Okay, next card. Okay, let me put this in here. More easy access. Oh no, D20. Come on, come on. D20. Yep. Come on. Be good to me, D20. 14. Oh, so big. This is the biggest one so far. $14. Okay, $14. Next card. D4. Okay, thank you. D4 is going to be. This is a fun game. Let's see how much I will save on this box alone. So let's go for D4. 2, 2. Okay, 2. And let's go back. D6. D6. The $6. Let's see if there's a change here. So there's no change. Let me grab my prop money. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. So this $20. I will change the prop money later off camera. So I have D6. So let me just save this in here. So all the prop money that in here, it's on this. The real money is in this side. Okay, let's go here. 6. Add 2 to the next roll. D12. Oh, come on, D12, D12. Ooh, scary. D12. Oh, you see that? I hope I don't have IOU this time. Let's see. Okay, oh, I still have 10, 12. Okay. How much money here left? So $7. Let's go for another one. You see that? D20, come on. No, 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 no. D20. So do you think I'll get lower or higher? Let's see. Let's see. Come on. Be good to me. I only have $7 left. Come on, D20. All right, $4. Okay, I'm so happy. No, I owe you. Give me a change. So $3 left. $3 left. And there's only last card. The D10. Let's go back. D10. Okay, D10 is this blue one. Be good to me. No, I owe you, please. $3. La 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 la. Oh, 4. So I have IOU of $1. And let me get my IOU slip in here. IOU of $1. All right, that's I already saved all the money and put it in here. So let's see how much I saved in total on each boxes. Okay, so for D4, so the prop money I will change it off cam. Okay, off camera. So 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 19. Okay, 19. 6, 10. Yeah, 19. So for D6, 20, 22, 27, 58, 29. So $29. 10, 10. Yep, $29. So this the 8. 20, 30, 35, 40, 42. Okay, 42. Yay. So for D10, 20, 30, 35, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41. All right, 41. For D12, 10, let me arrange it. 15, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 30. Okay, 30. Let's see. Yeah, 30. For D20, 20, 30, 40, 49. All right, 49. Let's check. 20. This is 20. 40. Yeah, 49. Ah, it's much. Alright, so before I leave, please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, or hit the notification bell so I'll be updated on my next video. As well as grab my freebie for my 600 subscribers milestone. And this one is available on my Google Drive for limited time, and I will transfer it to Etsy to with a little bit of amount. And you can put some sticker here to cover the amount. And this is the card that you can play together with this one. All right, so that's it for now, lovelies. Bye for now and see you later. Be humble and grateful. Make saving a habit. Bye. See you next time. Merry Christmas.